Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Land Rover Evoque, just come into stock. It's in beautiful condition though. You can see it's finished in white with a contrasting black roof and rear spoiler. Upgraded wheels with Pirelli Scorpion tyres all the way around. You know, it's been looked at when it's got the proper tyres on. Pirelli Scorpions again, rear privacy glass. It's not been fully valeted yet, it's literally just come in, just getting it marketed, but it's in lovely condition. Full leather interior, Meridian Hi-Fi, electric windows and mirrors. It's got sports seats in, really lovely. It's done 104,162 miles. Starts up and sounds great. Satellite navigation, heated seats, air conditioning, Bluetooth connectivity, off-road dynamics. Really is in lovely condition. This won't last long, it's very price rangey. At DJH, we've got full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.